Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. In my previous tutorial I was talking about your loop, JavaScript loop. I discussed about while loop. Now today I like to discuss about another loop, that is your for loop. Okay, so for loop also used for executing codes number of times, a block of code number of times until the given condition is false. Okay, so I will discuss it with an example. First let us give you a easy example, basic example. Okay, so how this for loop, how we will write this for loop. This is the starting of for loop. This is second bracket is used to start your for loop, and this is the end of for loop, right? And inside this first bracket, first you will have to write from where you will start the loop. Okay, let's assume we start the loop from 1, so we initialize I as 1, and then we will have to write down the condition. Until this condition becomes false, this for loop will be executed. Suppose we are writing here, this loop will be executed until the value of I becomes 5. Okay, after each rotation I will be incremented 1. That's why we are writing here I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so let us see the value of I here. So we are giving here alert, and okay, fine. So first I will see the output of this example. Okay, fine, save it. Okay, now we will go to output. Look, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That means this loop is executed 5 times. It started from 1. At very beginning the value of I was 1. That's why here we got in alert box 1. After that I is incremented by 1, so the value of I becomes 2, until yet the condition is true, because 2 is less than equal to 5. The condition is true. That's why alert box, on alert box we got 2, right? Again I is incremented 1 and 2 becomes 3, till yet the condition is true. 3 is less than equal to 5. That's why on alert box we got 3. Again this I is incremented 1 and it turns to 4, till yet the condition is true. That's why on alert box we got 4. Again 4 is incremented by 1 and it becomes 5. The value of I becomes 5. Till yet the condition is true, because 5 equal to 5, that is true. So on alert box we got 5. Again I is incremented 1 and it becomes 6. But 6 less than equal to 5, the condition is false, so the loop is complete. Right? So that's why you got the output I shown you just before few minutes. Now I will show you how we can use this array, use this for loop in array. Okay, so let us make this array first. What we are making an array, so let us make this array, give some values here. Here we can give James, then Marshall, then Tito, something like that. Okay, we enter the values inside array A, right? So what we like to do, we like to use here for loop to see the content, to see the data of the array. Okay, so let us start our for loop again. So we will start our for loop from where? From 0, because the index of array by default start from 0, and in 0 location there is James. 0 location means in 0 index there is James, 1 index there is Marshall, and in 2 index there is Tito. So we will start this I from 0 because array indexing start from 0. Okay, and we will continue the loop until it is less than array length. Array length means length contains the number of indexes in the array. Okay, and after each rotation this I will be incremented by 1. So we write I equal to I plus 1. This is the starting of for loop, and this is the end of for loop. So let us see in a large box the data of a array one by one, right? So we will write here array is A, and this I will represent the index number, right? So at very beginning the value of I is 0, means this one is 0, means array is A and index is 0. That means this is your James. After that I will be incremented 1 and the I will become 1, right? That means A and this is 1, means A1. In one index of A array there is Marshall, so this Marshall will be displayed on alert box. After that I will be incremented again 1 and it will become 2. In array A, in 2 index there is Tito, so in alert box we will get Tito. But after that I will become 3, and then this condition will become false because I distance containing 3 and the length of array is also 3. 3 is less than 3. This is not true condition, means this is false condition, so the loop will be terminated. Okay, so let us see the output. Let us save it. This is showing us the result of first for loop, then it is showing the result of our second for loop. This is James at 0 location, this is Marshall at 1 index, and this is Tito in the second index. Okay, this is the basic discussion about for loop. So we will continue our discussion on loop